These are some motion activated under cabinet lights, and they are USB charged and they use a magnet to mount. On the back it has these magnets with adhesive pads here. So it looks like there is also possibly a protective film on here that comes off, this blue film. So that blue film comes off and it reveals this metallic metal surface here, which mounts on the back magnetically. So the idea is that you would stick these, remove the adhesive cover here, stick this underneath inside a cabinet, and then this would automatically turn on using the IR motion sensor here. At the end here you can see what kind of charger it is. This is micro USB, and then also you can see the switch off, on, and auto. So let's turn it on. Now you can see what that light looks like. This is a relatively warm type of light here. More like incandescent lighting, a little bit yellowish here. And then you can turn this on auto. And auto should use the motion sensor here. If we cover up that motion sensor there, I believe there's a ambient light sensor, so it detects when it's dark and it'll only turn on the light when it's dark, not when it's bright in the room. So to test it, I had to cover up the sensor, the ambient light sensor, for it to turn on using the motion sensor. Here are the included cables. There are two of them. You get a USB-A to micro USB cable there, and they are relatively short, but you could use these to charge these lights or use any micro USB connector that you have. That's all for these under cabinet magnetically mounted rechargeable USB motion sensing lights. These are great to stick in cabinets, cases, racks, any dark areas where you might want some automatic illumination of these lights.